There are 12 core patterns of body language that we exhibit through message clusters. A message cluster is a series of signals that we give off, which together indicate and reinforce the same meaning. For example, if you're speaking to someone and their arms are crossed and their feet or knees are turned away from you, then this is a pretty solid indicator that they're closed off to you or what you're saying, and displaying signs of being defensive, as arm crossing is typically a defensive barrier, and someone turning their feet away from you signifies a lack of interest. Let's take a quick look at the 12 core patterns. Number 1, closed or closing. Number 2, crossing. Number 3, enacting. Number 4, expanding. Number 5, moving away. Number 6, moving forward. Number 7, open or opening. Number 8, preening. Number 9, repeating. Number 10, shaping. 11, striking. And lastly, number 12, touching.